Journalists hold the responsibility to inform the public and hold those in power accountable. But with that comes an ethical challenge: defamation. Defamation law exists to protect individuals and organizations from false statements that could damage their reputation. It sets boundaries, ensuring that the freedom of the press does not come at the cost of someone's good name. Libel, one form of defamation, involves publishing false statements, and slander is spoken false statements. In this video, we explore how defamation law affects journalism, the freedom of press, and the responsible communication, highlighting some of the high-profile court cases. In 2018, Nelson Harvey sued Headlink publishers, claiming that they had published a libelous article about him. The publication allegedly painted the lawyer as an advocate of questionable character who accepts bribes and wins cases on dubious grounds. Harvey alleged that he suffered damage from the publication that caused him emotional distress. The court awarded damages to Harvey amounting to 6 million Kenyan shillings, pointing out that the defendant was reckless and malicious and that the article was circulated to increase Headlink publishers' profit. The court further indicted that the exemplary damages are meant to punish the wrongdoer and act as deterrent from similar conduct in the future. Ernest Owino, a director of Mbingo Enterprises, sued the Star newspaper for defamation after publishing a story alleging he was being investigated by the EACC on alleged corruption. The Star published the article from documents it received from the EACC, saying Owino's company was being probed in relation to Governor Okoth Obado's 10 million home in Uriri. Judge Kiarie agreed that Owino's company was under investigation, but said the defendants rushed to publish the article without fact-checking. The court later said the Star published an apology on September 8th and finally ruled that the article was defamatory because any person reading the article would have concluded that the enterprise was corrupt and was siphoning funds in Migori County. The Star were ordered to pay 20 million in damages, 11 million for Owino and the other 11 to the company. Although the Constitution does not create a crime of defamation itself, the courts have interpreted Article 33 as requiring a balance between free expression and protecting people's reputation. Published. Journalists must verify facts carefully before publishing. This can also create fear of reporting on powerful figures or institutions. To avoid defamation claims, journalists are motivated to maintain high standards of evidence or sources. Freedom of the press means journalists can investigate, report, and critique without undue interference. Defamation laws balances freedom with the right of individuals to protect their reputation. Journalists must investigate the delicate balance between uncovering the truth and respecting reputations to ensure responsible reporting. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Chloe Adhiambo, reporting for NETV.